NASA's Flying Laboratory, which is conducting a worldwide survey of the Earth's atmosphere, has touched down in Christchurch for a second season. Staff on board the DC-8 aircraft are flying across the globe on a 28-day mission, gathering data in the air to better understand climate change and air pollution. Maya Burry reports.
This is the second of 4 trips in the flying lab NASA intends to make for the Atmospheric Tomography, or ATOM, mission. The lead principal investigator for the $30 million project, Steve Woofsey, says the research is groundbreaking.
Nobody has ever been able to take a flying laboratory of this complexity and navigate the entire globe and really look at the whole world at once. And I really do hope that it helps people to understand how human beings are affecting the atmosphere.
On board the plane are 22 different instruments used to study atmospheric gases and particles. NASA research pilot Wayne Ringelberg says the once commercial aircraft, built in the 60s, has been retrofitted with high-tech gear.
So we'll have a row of instruments and a row of seats for the people working that instrument, and then a row of instruments all the way back. And we've got 20, 30 instruments. And then most of the instruments will be up against a window, and we'll take the window out and put in a plate. And the plate will have probes that extend out into the atmosphere.
The probes take samples of the air in different parts of the Earth's atmosphere. Steve Woofsey says during each flight of about 10 hours duration, the plane goes up and down continually.
Like riding the elevator. Remember how when you were a kid, you used to like to ride the elevator? Well, we're riding the elevator in the sky. So we have to go up and down in order to sample the full range of the atmosphere, in order to get this understanding quantitatively about how human beings are affecting the remote part of the atmosphere and the climate and air quality.
One of the research scientists gathering and analysing the data is Chelsea Thompson. She says working with such complex instruments presents some challenges.
I mean, this is sort of a once-in-a-lifetime thing. It's a very ambitious project to fly around the entire world 4 times with this entire payload. It's ambitious also from a logistical standpoint. We have to pack a little spares box of the things that might break and hopefully fix whatever happens along the way, and hopefully nothing really bad happens.
The DC-8 is about halfway through its journey and will leave New Zealand for Chile in South America on Friday. Ms. Thompson says going around the world in 28 days takes its toll.
It is an exercise in jet lag, for sure. We fly 11 hours. Then we get to some country, you have to go through customs, lug your bags, find your hotel. It's a very long day and it's very exhausting.
Once the NASA team gets back to Palmdale, California in February, it will take about 6 months to collate all of the data. They will be back on the flying lab for their 3rd trip around the globe in October. In Christchurch for Checkpoint, Maya Burry.